viewers and listeners out there, I am Asuzu Chinedu Peters. You are welcome to Real Talk, a program where we talk about the property investment. And we are privileged to have on studios today the founder and president of Organization of Committed Christian Friends, and the person of Elder Onigwe Sylvester. Hello, sir. You're welcome to today's program.
Thank you very much, and God bless you.
It's a pleasure to meet you.
Thank you.
Can you tell us a little more about this Glorious City Estate? Because we've been hearing about this Glorious City Estate at Aguleri.
Yes, Glorious City Estate Aguleri is an estate acquired by the Organization of Committed Christian Friends. This Organization of Committed Christian Friends, the Christian organization, that people that come together under the platform of God, and God have helped us to acquire this property at Aguleri. We go to the government and register it, go to the ASUDEB and register it, and come to the land and plot it. After plotting it, we beacon them. And thank God today a lot of people are investing.
Property acquisition, investment into property is an investment into the future.
Yes.
Can you tell our listeners the potentials in that Glorious City Estate Aguleri?
That place is endued with a lot of resources that God have blessed that area. God, in fact, that place is the home of Orient Petrol in Anambra State. As I'm talking to you now, good oil is coming out and going out. In fact, the airport they are building at Umure, very close, is the airport where cargo that will bring machineries, that will be that oil, these refineries or companies that will refine oil will now bring their equipment and begin to refine oil.
And even bringing goods for,
other people. In fact, what I'm telling you now is the Aguleri is the fast growing city.
Wonderful.
In Anambra State, as I'm talking to you. So that was what made us to go there to invest.
Okay.
So any investment you make there, as I'm talking to you now, in the next 5 years, you will see the value appreciate in a greater dimension.
Okay.
It's now we are selling it 500,000 a plot of 50 by 100, but I assure you in the next 5 years, you hold 5 million, you cannot get one.
In our society, many people like to invest in an urban area, most times already populated area, an area where the land has appreciated to its elastic limit that it can no longer appreciate further. What is your advice to our viewers and listeners?
The best thing you do is not, instead of you to use 15 million and go to Tre to buy land, a plot of land 50 by 100, 15 million. It is a wise advice that you kindly use that 15 million and come to us at Glorious City Estate and use that 15 million to buy 30 plots. The people that will give you 15 million for a plot and 10 million for a plot, if you look at those documents very well, you will find out that at the time he bought it about 5 years or 8 years ago, he bought it at 500.
Or even lower.
Or even lower. Some bought 800, some bought 500. And now he's selling it 15 million. And that 15 million, I tell you, at that 15 million, in the next 5 years, it will remain at 15 million. If you can wisely use that 15 million and come to us and use that 15 million and buy 30 plots. I assure you, in the next 5 years, you will be surprised you will be selling each one at 5 million and above, 8 million.
You don't need to wait. You have to invest and wait. You don't need to wait before you invest in property. You have to invest in property and wait. In the nearest future, it will appreciate. What's the size, the dimension of that land and the price?
It's 50 by 100 we are selling for now, but in a very short time, it will increase. We are rounding up on the first phase.
Okay.
Immediately we enter the second phase, we will add it more.
Okay.
But still now we are still selling at 500, the former price, but we are rounding up the first phase.
Okay.
The second phase will add money.
Where will our audience and the listeners, our viewers, get this Glorious City Estate, their office?
Yes, we have our office at Silver Oil Free Station by Savoy Junction, opposite Army Barrack, Onitsha. And my phone numbers are 080 33 22 35 23. Thank you.
Till I come your way next time, I am Asuzu Chinedu Peters. Stay blessed.
Hooray! The Organization of Committed Christian Friends has flagged off allocation of plots of land to those who are paid up at the OCCF Glorious City Housing Estate, Aguleri, Anambra State. With state-of-the-art facilities, this is a unique opportunity to grab your own land at moderate price of 500,000 naira per standard plot, 50 by 100. Hurry now before the airport and Orient Oil in close proximity, fully take off, and international traffic and presence makes the land in the area to undoubtedly escalate. Rush now to Silver Oil Filling Station. Get the form with a non-refundable fee of 10,000 naira only. Get other details. As soon as payment is made, you shall be allocated your plot of land immediately. For further enquiries, visit OCCF Secretariat at Silver Oil Filling Station, first floor, Oka Road by Savoy Junction, Onitsha, or call 080-3322-3523 or 080-394-57321. Visit our website www.occfinternational.com.ng. OCCF Glorious City Estate, a unique opportunity to get your own land now. Don't miss it.